When it comes to solving linear equations, you might think that you know everything about it. Maybe every time you can get the right answer, you are confident in yourself, but there's something that you need to know. This may very well show up on the ACT. I've seen it come up several times. There are special cases that occur when we're solving linear equations. I'm going to show you there's two special cases, and they pop up quite a bit in the real world. So let's look at this very first special case. The first special case is called a contradiction. That's when we have no solution to our equation. So let's look at an example of this. So just like we were before, we're going to solve it the same way. So keep the left-hand side. It's already simplified. Let's simplify the right-hand side. All right, we want to bring all the x's to one side, so we're going to take away 4x. What happens here is we've got this 4x on the left-hand side that zeroes out, and all that's left is -1. And on the right-hand side, the same thing happens, and what's left is a 12. This is called a contradiction right here. -1 does not equal 12. Okay? So if you come to a solution that looks like this, it means there is no solution for x. No matter what you put in up here for your x value, nothing's going to work to make this example true. This is our first case. This is our first special case. Our second special case is the identity. Let me move this up just a little bit. An identity is when the variable ends up having all real solutions. Every number that exists is a solution for the equation. So let's look at this example. Again, the left side stays the same. Distribute on the right. Now, we can either stop here or we can keep going. I'll keep going just for giggles. Let's take the 5x and put it over here. We'll have 10 equals 10. And if we really, really wanted to, we could take the 10 away. And we'll get 0 equals 0. Okay, anytime that you have any of this going on, this, or this, you'll notice the left-hand side and the right-hand side are the same. What this means is that any variable you're going to put into this equation is going to work. So all real numbers are your solutions. So quick review. If you end up with both sides of the equation being exactly the same, 0 equals 0, 10 equals 10, 5x plus 10 equals 5x plus 10, whatever, that's going to mean that your solution is all real numbers. You could also write it as this sign. You might see this. That means all real numbers. If you get a number like -1 equaling a different number like 12, that's a contradiction, and it means that we have no solution for x. Sorry, that got cut off, but no solution. And these two cases, like I said, will occasionally pop up on the ACT, so it's really important that we understand this concept.